Alright, this is what I got for y'all. I got a 1988 Grand Marquis box, you dig? You know what I'm saying? Everybody doing the round Crown Vics, the round Grand Marquises. Be original. Do something new, you dig me? This shit clean as it wanna be. Got the courtesy light right there, you dig? Get the people the J's. I had to do that. Ain't got nothing to do with the video, but goddamn, I had to show the joint. What, another view? You dig? J's on. But anyway, back to this joint. 88 Grand Marquis, the shit clean as shit. You know what I'm saying? It's clean as ever. This the cleanest joint you gonna see. I'm gonna take y'all for a little ride and everything. You know what I'm saying? So let's go up in the inside, see what that thing looking like. You know what I'm saying? It's the outside of the joint. You know what I mean? Shit crazy. It's clean as it wanna be. You dig me? Be original. Do something new. That's why I copped up on this joint. You know what I mean? Let's come up in the cockpit. What we got here? You know what I'm saying? Well, we got the fucking the lights and shit, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can see the joint, but anyway, let's start this joint up. Let's see what we got. It's clean. The seat's clean. You feel me? Start this joint up. The warning lights, all of them gonna go away. All the warning lights. The engine light went away. The fucking oil light went away. The seatbelt light went away. Everything went away, dog. All of it's good. It's good money. Let's see what the radio looking like. Yeah, that joint crazy. Look at that joint. You want to do a karate kick up, my nigga. Surprise. Slides down. You dig? Feel me? Let's put on some Joey J. It's the GPS. You throw a couple dollars, you might get that too. You dig me? Ain't about nothing. We in the cockpit. This shit clean as shit, nigga. No holes, no tears. Back seat. I call this the living room. Showing crazy. But yeah, man. I'm going to take y'all for a little ride in the 88 Grand Marquis. Alright? I'm saying the system dumping. It's a classic. Holla at your boy. I'm gonna take y'all for a little ride. It's gonna be in part 2. Take y'all for a little ride. Let's just see this joint one time. You get this too. That come with the car.